Recently, we heard the news of plane crash in Ahmedabad. The question arises that why such calamities take place. Why does God let such things happen to people who seem to be innocent? The answer is because there is karmic reaction that a person has to face according to the activities he has done in past. And sometimes there are more than one person who has the same karmic reaction. And thus, such arrangements are made that those people could come together and face that group karma together. So this is how nature facilitates a particular situation to give back the karmic reaction, similar to what they show in movies like Final Destination. So the question arises, what have these innocent people probably done to deserve this? The answer lies in our scriptures. Possibly to deserve such scary punishment, one must have done some killing in this life or the past. Like we see so much killing of innocent animals in the slaughterhouses, where they are kept for years and tortured to be killed and then cooked to be served to people in the restaurants. They face the same condition of being in the lockup situation and then burnt or fried, sometimes alive. Similar to what has happened to the people in that plane, locked and burnt alive. That's why we need to protect ourselves from committing such sinful activities. Otherwise, we could be the next ones to get a karmic reaction like this. Hare Krishna.